Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. Are you always searching for a pair of nail trimmers, a nail file, something just to fix that annoying hangnail you have? Well, this manicure set by FAMILIFE was the perfect solution for my husband and I. I love this set because it has everything you need. It has nail trimmers, toe trimmers, cuticle trimmers, tweezers, nail file. Really, any problem you have could probably be fixed with this set. I also love the quality of this set, from the case that it comes in to all the tools being stainless steel. They've really proven their quality by the many times that we've used it and how they've held up. I purchased this in the popular brown color. I think it looks so nice that I can just leave it out on my coffee table. I really don't know what we would do if we didn't have this nail trimming set. So if you're thinking about getting it, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.